SEASKYTOOLING is a professional China medical plastic molding manufacturer. We offer medical model manufacturing and medical plastic molding manufacturing for medical disposable plastic parts, one-time used plastic labware, artificial limb, and medical device plastic manufacturing. We have ISO 8 clean room for medical plastic molding and transparent plastic molding. We work from prototype manufacturing, model making to injection molding. We work with more than 300 customers in the world for their plastic product development. We join into your plastic product development process to optimize your plastic product design for production. This will save product development cost and production cost. Also, it will short the development lead time. Contact us now. We will reply you in 8 hours or even 1 hour.